Hi, today I'll be showing you how to get the oil painting effect in Photoshop. So let's get to the video. At first, convert the image to smart object. Then go to Image, Adjustment, Posterize and put 8 as a value. Then go to Filter, Stylize and click on Oil Paint. You can change the value and you can see the effect on the picture. Please put the following numbers in the value to get the perfect oil painting effect. Now select the smart filter by clicking on the icon and activate the brush tool and paint it over the eyes to get a more realistic effect. Also, I will adjust the colors a bit. So that's it for today. If it was helpful, do like and subscribe and comment on your feedbacks. Thank you.